know.
Well.
It's my birthday.
We're back, ladies and gentlemen. Guess why? It is my honey bun's birthday today, my distinguished gentleman. How does it feel to be celebrating your birthday with me?
It's especially nice today with you, as always.
Oh my goodness. And we were out this morning and now we're having, what is this, lunch?
I think it's birthday brunch.
It's birthday brunch. So how are you feeling?
Good man, good. I mean, I'm great, thank you.
We can code switch, you know, they'll take it. So, alright, let's do the code switching. So, how you feel? I mean, this is a new year. You have plans, you have dreams. What go on with you?
I'm good. I have plans. For my territory to be enlarged. Good.
Okay.
Great plans that I had. With God's blessings, of course.
Yes.
Because everything we do, we need according to God's will.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Well, you look good. You look like one mafia guy over there.
I know.
Yep.
Signature. Not like that.
Cha.
No.
But happy birthday, my honey. I wish you God's blessing. You know how me love you already. And we thank God for you. You see, it's your little naughtiness give you coughing.
Okay.
But blessings and cheers to you. Happy birthday. I wish you God's favor for many more.
Thank you, my darling. Thank you for making this special thing and making my life more special and making it more meaningful.
Yes. And your nephew Kevin can't stop tease, you know.
Yeah, Kevin, she got me. Hard as I got her. Okay, now look at here. The meal has arrived.
Yes.
And again, I think I'm going to be hungry after I'm finished eating. It's becoming...
Not again.
What do I have here? Chicken? What is this? Chicken pastrami? Serious, guys. How small is that for my birthday? And then I take a look over there. Chicken scampi. Look how good her plate looks.
This is
Shrimp and
clam martinelli something.
Martini. Yeah.
So,
but here's the problem, just as it is with the porridge. I can eat some of these things that she eats, but then it looks so much better than mine. But seriously, guys. Anyway, happy birthday to me. And thank you, wifey, for taking me out for lunch.
You're welcome, baby.
I'm gonna make it for your shrimp ball this year, you know. Allergy or not. You can't get one?
I'll just rub lime.
Never take one. Enjoy.